Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is a market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So let's go into charts. So I do have few swing trading stocks to here. Let's discuss about that later, but first let's jump into Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's make it really quick. So I'm sorry I was doing so much. Okay, so if you see, market actually was in a level in the morning and it did rally in a good way up. Okay, so I had my position made here and I captured it till this. I'm still holding it. I'm expecting this to be my target. Okay, so I entered at 19,360, 19,365 something I entered, and I'm holding it. My stop loss is exactly here below the swing. If you see this big candle, okay, this red candle, below this red candle is where my stop loss is. So I'm holding it at least till 19,480 for Nifty. And let's get into Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also we got an entry exactly here, that is at 11:30 we got an entry here. Okay, we have entered this and actually this is my stop loss. Okay, so I entered around 43,480 and I'm holding it. My target in Bank Nifty is not decided yet. It's because I have to check few swings. I just entered and I had a important work, so I went forward looking to that. So this is where I'm expecting market to rest for a while. That is 44. Okay, see, yeah, it is 43,970 is where I might exit. Yeah, and even if it comes back tomorrow, I will enter with another quantity. So this is what I'm expecting. And next, let's get into US oil. US oil, actually what happened, it did not come to our levels. It is hovering here. I am expecting it to come to my level so I can sell it. Slow and steady it is going up. So if you see, this is a trend line. This is a very strong trend line. It's going up. If this trend line breaks, then I might look forward to short it. Okay, so I will, if this trend line is broken, I'll enter a small trade here. Not so great. One trade I'll enter, only one. If it's my stop loss, I'll exit and then I will short only post this. That is $80.35. Okay, I might enter one here on this trend line. That is $81. If it comes $81.80 somewhere, if it comes, then I might short it. Or if this trend line is broken, I might sell it. So this is for US oil. Then let's get into gold. Okay, so let's see gold we have already have all our levels marked. Okay, all it has to do is, guys, gold is traded in a different way. At least I trade gold in a very different way. You see, this is totally sideways market from how many days? 25, 30, almost so many days it's been sideways. These moments and all I did not capture. It's because I was not interested. I was least interested. I trade 4-hour trend line in gold, guys. I don't enter the small trades. Is because I want a good trade. Okay, and if I buy gold, I hold it for a long time. See, most of the times I enter and I hold it for a long time. That is how I trade. Okay, I don't exit enter like frequently. I try to hold the stocks. Hold the stocks or anything what I'm buying, I try to hold it. So this is for gold. If gold breaches anywhere about 2009, I'll be looking forward to buy. Sell is also immediate here. That is 1096. I'll be looking forward to sell it. We do have good risk to reward ratio on both the sides. So let's see which side market gives us. See, if the market is in sideways, it is ready to move. Okay, when it breaks, it is going to move. That is what I have seen with my experience. If it's in sideways, that means here so many accumulation is happening and manipulation is happening. So enter on any side. It can be buy or it can be sell, but make sure you know the market's direction. If the market's direction is bullish, make sure you enter on the bullish side. Your most of the trade should be on the buying side. Selling side is kind of subjective. You can get, this is a counter trend. Okay, selling is actually a counter trend, so there is a high probability you might lose it, but buying, definitely consider, always trade the trend. Okay, so let's get into few of the swing trading stocks. So we got all these stocks in our screener. So let's see how they are. Let's go to weekly time frame. Brigade. If you see brigade has given a breakout. Okay, so this was the recent level, it has given a breakout, this level, and it has retested and it's up. So where will I buy next? I go to daily time frame. So this is the swing which was broken. If it comes down anywhere down, I will definitely look forward to buy it. And then target is, I'll be trailing my stop loss. Okay, this is brigade. Next is Saturn. Saturn, if you see, this was a consolidation, it has given a breakout. Tomorrow I might enter here and this might be my stop loss. This is actually my stop loss because 6% is a lot. Okay, 6 almost 7%, that's a lot. And I'll be looking forward to hold this. Next is Borosil Limited. Borosil Limited, we had few stop losses, which is totally fine. If you see Borosil Limited, and let's first go to weekly time frame. Okay, if you see weekly time frame, it is going up constantly. Okay, constantly it's going up, slow and steady, not too rapid, not too slow, but it's going up. Okay, everybody can see it's going up. This is a resistance. Okay, this is a resistance. If it passes this level, that is if it passes 465, I'll be looking forward to buy it. Okay, 465. If it breaks 354, I'll be looking forward to sell it. Okay, so these are my levels, but now because the market is bullish, let's focus on here. Or if it comes anywhere here, that is 438 somewhere close to this trend line, I'll be buying it again. Okay, so this is my view on Borosil. Next is Amber. Amber is at its good level now. So this was a support, this was a last, this was a support and a good consolidation area. Okay, so this is about Amber. This is the resistance. Okay, so this is a small trade which is actually good, and after that if it breaches, it will go up. It has a good potential. Okay, so if I get 1 or 2 candle here, I'll be entering here. This will be my stop loss and 1:2 will be my target, because it's bullish, guys, it's bullish. So we can definitely look forward for it to go up. Yeah, it's bullish, so let's not sleep over some stocks. And next is Torrent Power. In Torrent Power daily time frame, we already have our levels marked and our level has been breached. That is, it has breached 700 and this it has breached this resistance. Now I want one more candle here, so I'll be confident enough to buy this. Okay, so that's it for all the stocks and all the analysis. This is not an advice, this is not a tip. Okay, this is just my view on market, on how I'll be trading this. Please use this as a references. This is not a tip or recommendation, this is just my view. And if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. And tomorrow intraday setup and one intraday strategy of mine, I'm going to share it tomorrow. It will be out at 11. Please watch that too, and please like, share and subscribe and support. It will be appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.